What's up, guys? Back again with another truck. I didn't film an intro on it, on the starting of it, but we got a Crew Cab Silverado Special Ops Edition. We were supposed to be doing double sunroofs on this. A lot of my shipment didn't come in, all of it. This weekend has been real busy with all them sunroofs I had from Kansas, and I was actually one short, which sucks. But good thing this guy's from local here in Albuquerque. So once this sunroof comes in, we're gonna go ahead and add the second one. Let's check it out. I know it's a little dark. Soft touch. Get a factory headliner, OEM. Silverado Special Ops. There she is. This is the fourth truck this weekend. Came out good. Came out real good. Like I said, we're gonna be adding the second sunroof once my other shipment comes in. My supplier did run out, and we're gonna go ahead and get a bunch of them in, and then we'll get this guy squared away and add the second sunroof to it. All right, guys, fourth truck this weekend. 3 from Kansas, and this one's local. There she is. What's up, guys? We back again. We got the Crew Cab Silverado all the way from Roswell in for a Titan window. Let's check it out. We just got rained on now. Had to put this little tent on. Prepping everything for my window installer. Got everything cut out for the Titan window. She's gonna look good. This is the one we did double sunroofs on about a year ago, I think. And then we did the Crespo wing molded. Back again at Rob's Customs for a Titan window. Domi Jesus, he's over there. All right, we're gonna get everything wired up, and then I'm just waiting for my installer. He'll be here about 4 o'clock. I can pop it in and out. I usually do the glasses too, but in town it's faster for him to do them. All right, stay tuned. Alright, guys, we got the Titan window installed. Everything is functional, 100%. Everything's looking good. Check it out. My custom kit in there. Nice. That's a wrap. Looks good. Nice. What do you think?
It's clean.
Looks clean? It looks bad. It looks good now. Yeah. Hell yeah. Check that out. Sweet. Sit in it. Get a feel for it.
Real nice.
Yeah. It looks good with the sunroof right there now.
Heck yeah.
Sweet. That's gonna be it. Another one done. Roswell, Mexico.
Perfect.
Stay tuned, we got a lot more videos rolling in. That came out real good. Like I said, if you guys need a custom kit, let me know. I have the kits. Mounting bracket, universal button. It comes with that same button here that we see. Molding and custom bracket, and it includes shipping. DM me, whatever you guys need. All right. Peace.